Sir, everyone people are saying AI will replace professionals. Is that true, sir?
See, whenever there is a technology upgradation, there is always a fear that the technology is going to create some kind of a chaos in the market. But that is not correct because technology is there only to improve the efficiency of the people. The problem is our perception here. Okay, first thing is the moment the technology comes, we fear as if we are losing the jobs. It has happened earlier in the earlier 2000s when the computers have come for the first time. People thought they will lose their jobs. Then when ERP has come, clerks and accountants felt their jobs are going to be lost. And today we are in the AI world. So here also the fear factor is there. But this is always evolving. And remember, AI will not decide anything. AI will help you in giving one output. That's it. It is you as a judge. You have to judge whether it is correct or not. So long as that human intervention is there, nothing is going to happen to the profession.
Then why are senior people are saying hospitals will replace nurses, CS and CL and other professionals will also be replaced?
See, there is a confusion prevailing right now. Maybe with respect to artificial intelligence or whatever it is, there is a lot of confusion. Now, let us understand in a very simple sense. If what is the role of a nurse? Is only taking vitals? No, it is beyond that. So, will AI be able to do beyond that? No. If you talk about the company secretaries, is the CS role just drafting a resolution? No, there is something else attached to that. Or maybe for that matter, any other professional like chartered accounts. So, as such, AI will only assist. AI will not replace any profession or any professional, and it is the role of the professional to see that they have that value addition in the system there. So, this is basically a kind of a confusion that is prevailing in the market, which is throwing all these kinds of questions and creating some kind of confusion in the market. Yeah.
Is AI intelligent like humans, sir?
No, AI does not understand. AI works on prediction. It just read the patterns and it will give you a solution, right? Say, for example, if you give something for it based on the trained modules, then depending on the pattern what you have given, it will give you the result there. It does not think by itself. It just gives you the output on which it has been trained. So you cannot call that AI is intelligent enough to outsmart the people. Okay, yes, it depends on a lot of training and what the data you are feeding. Depending on the fed data, it will give you some patterns which are based on the sequential results, what it feel is right. And again, it is up to us to see whether the result given is right or wrong. That is where human involvement is necessary and human involvement is indispensable in AI scenario. So it is not correct to say that AI has its own intelligence.
Then what is the real risk here, sir?
See, the real risk is not AI, but over dependence on that one. People generally feel that AI is a big challenge for them, and blind implementation of AI is the biggest risk. Okay, if you take care, if you have proper analysis of the data, what it is giving as a result and other things, then there is not much risk in them. So it is basically the way you are implementing the AI tool in your system that is going to create the kind of a risk what you actually are perceiving. The more you fear, the more the result will be fear suffering. So, as professionals or anybody for that matter, maybe a professional or not, but using AI tool, must always understand that if any output is sought from that one, from using that tool for that matter, then it is only left to his judgment because AI itself cannot judge anything. It just gives, as I told you, depending on the pattern, data what you have fed and the data based on which it is trained. Only on that one it will give the output. So it is not fully correct to say that it thinks on its own, and it is not fully correct on our part to fear that it is going to replace us. It is only the value addition that you make for yourself that is going to protect you in the future. And once again, I reiterate that human involvement is indispensable in AI scenario also. So people should not fear so much with respect to the AI.